Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2021 tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to add a simple transition to any video, basically. So I've got two videos here loaded in. I've got this fruit thing going on here, and this lady reaches out to grab the fruit. And then the next one is a lemon going in. Now, quickly, from going from one video to another video without a transition here is called a jump cut, and that's not what we want in this one. And this time we want to do a transition. So right now I'm in the editing workspace. I am going to move over to the effects workspace. Left clicking on that, you're going to see the effects workspace. You're going to see the effects panel here. If you don't see it, make sure there's a check mark beside effects. Now under effects, you're going to see two things. You're going to see video effects, and under video effects you'll see transition. This actually isn't what you want. That a lot of people make that mistake, including myself. What you want is video transitions. When you left click on video transitions, you're going to see a few options. The default one that's automatically selected is a cross dissolve. Now, this is actually a very good transition, so that's the one we'll use, although I'll show you a couple other ones while I got you. I'm going to left click on cross dissolve, and I'm going to drag and drop it in between the two videos here. Now, before I let go, I want to show you one thing. This here means the transition is on the left video or on the first video entirely. This one here is a straddle. That means half of the transition is on one side of on the first video and half the transition is on the other video. And this here, it means the transition is entirely on the second video. 95 out of 100 times you're going to want the transition on half on the first video, half on the second video. I'm going to let go here. And we're going to zoom in here by just going in here. And you're going to see that it says cross dissolve. So what does that look like? Right here. I'm going to go slowly moving. Now the dissolve begins. The dissolve starts. And then it gets to the next one. And you'll see that you can still see the remnants of the original shot here. So the dissolve is right here. So that is how you add a transition very quickly. If you want to do some minor adjustments, you can go ahead and increase the length of the transition. So if you want a longer transition, I just went in there, and you'll see when this playhead here, when it goes to red, it means you can basically increase the duration of the transition. So I've done that, so the cross dissolve is now a longer transition, and the same thing applies to shorter ones. I'm going to delete that transition, and I'm going to show you one more. The next one I want to show you is the film dissolve. Again, you can put all of the transition on the left for the first video, all on the second video, or in the middle, so it's on half and half. This is another really commonly used transition. And if I just go to the beginning here and I slowly show you the dissolve, it is nice and good. Yeah, there we go. So there it is. Cool. It's a cool transition. Again, you can change the duration of it. You can increase it like I did, or you can decrease it. And yeah, guys, that is how you apply simple transitions to your footage. I'll show you all sorts of advanced transitions in upcoming videos, but those are simple ones. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Be back soon with some more stuff.